Chapter 2. The Earth, our home planet. Get set. Read on the given facts about our Earth and tick the true and cross the false ones. The Sun is a massive ball of burning gas. There is no water on the Earth. The land on the Earth is the same all around. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the only planet that has life. Life is possible on the Earth due to the presence of air, water, land, and sunlight. The Earth receives just the right amount of the sunlight necessary for life. Air. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Air around us is a mixture of several gases and dust particles. It is a mixture of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.96% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, and very small amounts of other gases. There is an average of about 1% water vapor. Animals and we human beings need oxygen in the air to live. When we breathe in oxygen, the lungs give oxygen to the blood and breathe out carbon dioxide in the air. Plants need the carbon dioxide in the air to live. They use carbon dioxide to make their food. Water. The existence of water is essential for life on the Earth. Water covers around 71% of the Earth's surface. Water is a liquid. It flows. It is found in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is also present under the ground. Oceans are the largest water bodies present on the Earth's surface. There are 5 major oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Among these, the Pacific is the largest and the Arctic is the smallest ocean. Think a while. Why do you think the Earth is called the blue planet? Land. The large areas of land found on the surface of the Earth are known as the continents. The land area of the Earth is divided into 7 continents: Asia, Europe, South America, Antarctica, Africa, North America, Australia. Among these, Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent. The land all over the Earth is not the same. It has various landforms such as mountains, hills, and plateaus. Mountains are the tallest landforms, at least 1,000 feet above the surrounding land. They usually have steep sloping sides, often come to a point at the top. This pointed top is called the peak. Hills also rise above the land, but are not as tall as mountains. Their tops are usually rounded instead of pointed. A third kind of tall landform is a plateau. A plateau is very flat on the top like a plate or table. It is made by forces inside the Earth, pushing big areas of rock and land upward. Mountain, hill, plateau, valleys, plains, and deserts. The lowland between 2 mountains or hills is known as valley. A valley formed by a river or stream makes a V shape. That is, if you look at its sides and narrow bottom, it looks like a V. Valley, plain, desert. A plain is a large stretch of almost flat land. Plains near rivers are excellent places to grow crops. Another type of plains found along the coast are known as the coastal plains. Such plains are generally sandy. The areas of land which receive very little rain and there is very few or no vegetation are known as deserts. Some deserts are hot and dry, while some deserts are cold. Hot deserts are generally covered with sand, while the cold deserts are covered with snow. Islands. The landform which is surrounded by any water body from all sides is called an island. A group of islands is known as an archipelago. Sunlight. The earth is neither too far nor too close to the sun. Therefore, the earth's atmosphere has the right temperature for life to exist. Movements of the earth. The earth is not stationary. It has two types of movements. Rotation. The earth spins like a top around an imaginary line called the axis. The movement of the earth is known as rotation. The earth rotates from west to east. The time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is 24 hours or 1 day. This rotation of the earth causes day and night. Revolution. The earth also moves around the sun while spinning on its axis along a fixed path called the orbit. This movement of the earth is known as revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. This revolution of the earth causes the different seasons. Chirpy says, when the earth was formed, it was a big ball made up of rocks and gases. At that time, it was very hot. There was no life on the earth. As the years went by, its outer portion cooled down because of rain. We live on the outer, cool part of the earth called the crust. Quick review. The earth is the third planet from the sun in the solar system. Life is possible on the earth due to the presence of air, water, land, and the sunlight. Air around us is a mixture of several gases and dust particles. Water covers around 71% of the Earth's surface. Oceans are the largest water bodies present on the Earth's surface. The large areas of land found on the surface of the Earth are known as the continents. A plateau is very flat on the top, like a plate or table. A group of islands is known as an archipelago.